I got a riddle. What's little and talks big? With midget arms and pretty white filling in the middle. It'll do anything to throw dirt on my name if it means walking a home Mediterranean. Visiting Albanian, Armenian, Iranian, Tasmanian. No, instead framing and oh sorry, yo, so sorry, whoa. But that was a long time ago when I was just Joe Schmo rapping in Joe Blow's basement. I apologize for it before, so either accept it or you don't, and let's move on. Keep walking around sniffing each other's parts, or should I say asses? What would be the more politically correct term to use for the masses?
Murder's mind state. Can't keep my nine straight, sipping on this Hennessy, waiting for the time to break.